Hello YouTube, this is Dazza the Cameraman. Today is Tuesday, February 19th, 2019, and in this video we're going to look again at the predicted full moon rise for February 19, 2019, but this time we're going to look at it using Equatorial Mount orientation. In my previous video we had the orientation set to alt-az or altitude azimuth. So you can see that moonrise for the 19th of February is at 6:37 p.m. and it transits the meridian at 1:23 a.m. I'll just close this panel so we can see more data down below. We can see the azimuth direction and altitude of the moon at any time. We can see the age of the moon is full at 15.26 days old, and Starry Night is showing the disk illumination at 100%. I've got the time increments set to 1 minute, so let's change the orientation from alt-az or local to equatorial, so you can see that the angle has changed there. I'm going to zoom in on the moon so that we can see it clearly, and then we're going to run this forward. Now with a properly set up Equatorial Mount telescope or Equatorial Mount tripod, it should cancel out all field rotation. That is, if it is correctly set up, aligned with the celestial pole, set to the correct latitude, and is on a level surface. If it is not set up correctly, then you're going to see drift. The moon is not going to remain centered, and it's going to have to be corrected. So let's run this forward and see what happens. So the time is 7 p.m. Running this forward is a time lapse, and as you can see, there is no rotation. Now in post-editing I will add a red line just as a comparison for our pole sticks there. So we're just coming up 11 p.m. now. Remember we crossed the meridian at 1:23 a.m. just gone past midnight. Coming up to the meridian, passing it now. There it goes. Still no rotation, and this is what we should expect to see through a properly aligned Equatorial Mount telescope or tripod. Very soon we'll see the horizon come into view and the moon will be obscured. I'll stop it then and zoom out. And here comes the horizon. There it is. So I'll stop it now and zoom out. You can see that the moon is below the horizon now. So this is the prediction for a properly aligned Equatorial Mount telescope. Thank you for watching.